Good day mga kalagaray! Welcome back to our channel and for today's video, another episode na naman ng Motor Reveal. I-promote lang namin yung riding jersey natin. So this is the picture. Ayan. So ongoing na yung paggawa and hopefully by January 1st week dadating na yung mga stocks natin. So available pa din siya for pre-order and if you want to grab one, grab na kayo. And we would like to thank our sponsor, Machu Mucho. Go get your haircuts guys there. So ito yung links nila. Facebook page. Yeah, so book your schedule para magpa-haircut sa kanila. And pwede din naman walk-in. So, they are available around Mindanao na mga malls. Yung mga kalagaray. Pa-haircut na kayo sa kanila. So, before tayo mag-start, explain ko lang kung anong bike ito. This is a Honda TMX 150 Supremo. So, it's a scrambler, fatty scrambler build. Bali, ang nangyari dito, siya na nag-provide ng base bike niya. So, it's an old bike. It's a version 2 na Honda TMX Supremo. So, it's a pretty beat up bike. Ang ginawa natin is ni-restore natin and modify. So, maano na rin, marusty na rin yung lahat ng chassis. So, ayun, explain ko ano mga ginawa natin. Start tayo sa tank mga kalagarahe. This is the stock tank, but may minodify tayo dito sa rear na part. Diyan sa part na yan. So, and then, minasilyahan natin kasi nga may mga maraming dents. And then, matte paint job and logo natin and Honda logo there and top coat na matte. And then sa top part, naglagay tayo ng mid-rise handlebar, analog speedometer, classic na side mirrors. Ayan. And then dito sa headlight, naglagay tayo ng classic na headlight. Pero pinalitan natin yung bulb ng LED. And then custom headlight bracket and mini turn signal light na bullet. Ayan. Sa front niya, suspension stock pa din sa TMX Supremo. But we widened the triple tray and triple clamp. And then convert natin to disc brake. And then handmade na custom aluminum fender. Ayan. Then sa engine, ni-repaint natin. And sa muffler, thermal wrap and version 2 na bullet pipe ang nilagay natin. Ayan. And then, naka-nibi na ito na nibi na racing carburetor. And malinis sa ilalim. May underneath cover. Ayan. Then, shocks, pinalitan din natin ng brand new sa likuran. Tire hugger, yan, sa likuran. Then, custom seat na heat pressed. Nilagay dito. And, LED strip na yung taillight tsaka signal light. So, integrated lahat. And then, sa tires, we put 3.0 and 2.5 rims. And 110 tire and 120 tire, front and rear. So, ayan, it's a pretty bulky build. And yung susian nandito na sa kilid. Just like our other builds, dyan natin nilalagay yung mga natin, mga susian natin. So, a little walk around. So, walk through tayo. Ayan. So, ang nangyari dito, binaklas natin lahat, like literally lahat. And we powder coated the chassis to restore its original condition. Yung swing arm, pinowder coat na rin natin. Mga hubs, powder coated. So, ang paint job lang bali dito is yung tank, yung engine, and yung fork. Everything else was powder coated. Ayun mga kalagaray, I hope you liked our build. So, this is a Honda TMX 150 Scrambler build. So, yeah, I hope you liked it more. So, another year na naman next year sa mga awesome builds na gagawin natin. So may i-release pa tayo next year and may mga magandang builds pa tayo na gagawin and ongoing namin ngayon. So yeah, let's go for the montage. Let's go!